Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suzzie Actress. I am also a chef. Yes. So most of the people have been asking me, how do you make your chapatis? So here I am today. I want to show you how I make my chapatis. My friends, my visitors, my neighbors have been telling me, oh please, your chapatis are so yummy. So here I am and I want to show you the ingredients. This is what I use to make my chapatis. We have oil, we have a tablespoon of sugar, we have a teaspoonful of salt, we have butter, we have coconut milk powder, we have home baking flour, and today I chose to use ajab. Alright, so let me melt my butter. I'll be back. Welcome back. This is the water that we are using, the hot water. So I want to put my sugar inside. I want to put the salt inside. And I want to mix them up. I know there's some people who don't like sugar in their chapos, but let me tell you, just put a little bit of it and you won't regret. With you'll get some different kind of taste, you know. So the sugar and the salt have dissolved. So now what I need to do, I need to pour my flour. I don't want to make a lot of chapatis today. So what I'm gonna do, let me work with that first. Okay. I put some powder, coconut powder. You can also share with me how you make your chapatis at home. Different recipes, different ingredients. I know there are pumpkin chapatis, carrot chapatis. For me, I am making coconut today. Make sure you have a big basin to work with. So, some water, some butter, actually all of it. And now I go in with my mwiko. Mix everything together. The water is hot, so I don't want to burn myself. It's not all that hot, but it's hot enough to make me uncomfortable. So going to get in and mix kabisa. From there, I think I can take it from there with my hands. In fact, I like to work here. After all this done, we can move in like this. It's still sticky. Use your energy. Don't spare any. All right? Yeah. I'm gonna add some more flour so that I can get the texture I want. I don't want it to be hard and I don't want it to be too soft. Are we together? So how do you make your chapatis? Press down, comment, like this video, subscribe, share, and let's cook together. Okay? You can cook your chapatis as you watch. It's much easier, so that you can follow each and every step. So I have my dough. See? It is not sticky at all. It ain't sticky, but it's soft enough to cook. Alright? Yeah. So that is done. So the other important part of this cooking chapatis, you can pour some oil on top of your already made dough. Like that. And also smear some inside your basin. I want to cover the dough for like, let's say 40 minutes, and then I can come and cook later. So I'm gonna place it inside there safely. Then I will cover it with the cling film. So make sure that it's fully covered. That's it. It's fully covered. And let's wait for 45 minutes as I come back to show you how my chapatis are made. Each and every step is important. Okay? So don't skip any procedure. Alright, so I'll come and show you how I do the rolling, the cooking part, and then the final result. Alright, keep it locked. Hi, welcome back. My name is Suzzie, actress, the chef. 40 minutes are over and our dough is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just unwrap, and here it is. You see? It is well done. So we sprinkle some flour here. Take our dough. You don't want it to stick. Don't take a lot of flour, just a little bit of it, and we continue. Don't mind the shape. Mind the taste. Flip it the other side. And then we come in and put in some oil. You can smear with your hand. There we roll. We roll the whole thing to one piece to make it easier to cut. Instead of cutting each and every part by its own, we just roll the whole dough. Like that, we are well. Then from there, we cut the desired size. So, I don't want to make them too thin, and I don't want to make them too thick. So medium size. Then it's time to roll. Sorry, see? We just fix this edge there. Sprinkle some flour. Okay. Put it inside like that. If you feel some are big, you can always minimize. Yeah. Work with it well so that you can get the right size you want. So like this one is too small. I'm going to remove some from this, and this is what I'm going to do. Yeah, see? Just roll them together. And we are done. How many chapatis do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, rolling. This is the kind of pin I have. So when you're rolling, don't press the center too much, otherwise your chapati will dry there at the center. So keep on flipping so that you can get the circle that you need. You're cutting like this. So we have the first one. On to the second one. So make sure you have moderate heat, okay, so that your chapati can't burn without cooking inside. So the pan is heated. My heat is moderate. So now we put some just drops to make the pan oily. And then here is my chapati. What I do, I just dry the chapati first, both sides, then I cook it with oil. I'm not putting the oil right now. Are we together? Yeah. So you just leave it to cook by itself. When it starts turning the color from this color, it looks like it's doing what? So you see, we turn. It's a little bit cooked, not fully cooked. Look at this other side. So this is the point that you put some oil, and I'm not using a lot of oil, okay? So you let it cook. Just let it cook. Well, slowly by slowly. It's not yet cooked. So As we wait, I can be making some more. So you can turn it and put some more oil on the other side so that it can cook both sides nicely. So this is where I'm gonna put the chapatis. Note there's a towel so that it can suck in some excess oil, and also when I cover them they'll remain soft. Okay, this is another tip that you should note. It's important too. So as we wait for it to cook, we can move forward with the other chapatis, making the rounds. So our chapati is done. See? So you come and place it there, and make sure you always cover your pot. Alright, on to the second one. We still work with the oil that is there. It's not too much oil. So we place our chapati there and wait for it to dry again. Make sure it's dry nicely. Don't interfere with it. Don't put any oil. And that's it. So which is your favorite flavor, like recipe? Is it carrot chapati, plain chapatis, or pumpkin? So our chapati is dry on this side, see? And we can flip it so that it can get dry on the other side. So that's how I make my chapatis.